this video tutorial I will cover isSupported method of day of week which accept temporal field. Here I have defined a class day of week demo. Here I have created day of week object. Then I am calling isSupported method of day of week and passing the temporal field as day of year. If this field is supported by day of week, it returns true, else it will return false. This field is not supported by day of week, so we got false. And this time I am passing day of week. This field is supported by day of week, so we got true.